Calculate 8 choose 5. Okay, this is the same as 8 choose 3 by symmetry, so that makes it easier for me without a calculator because I can go 8 times 7 times 6, 3 times 2 times 1. Cancel those out. My answer will be 56. Calculate 9 choose 3. I like the order on that one, so I'll go 9, 8, 7 on the top, 3, 2, 1 on the bottom. Reduce what I can see easily, and it looks like I get a 12 times 7, and that's an 84. So there is our coefficient on that case. Use induction to show this statement. So as usual, we will assume we'll just do the inductive step. So we get to assume that 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus 2 to the k minus 1 is equal to 2 to the k minus 1. And then we'll move into the actual jump, which is going to be 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus 2 to the k minus 1 plus the next one, which is 2 to the k. This quantity, by the inductive hypothesis, is the same as 2 to the k minus 1, and then we have this extra 2 to the k. So if we have a 2 to the k plus a 2 to the k, that's 2 copies of 2 to the k. But by exponent rules, that becomes 2 to the k plus 1 minus 1. And notice that is precisely this statement with a k plus 1 replaced for n. So that would be the final part to the inductive step. And in the last quadrant, we have provided a 4 equals 12 and a 10 equals negative 76. Find a formula for this, given that it's arithmetic. So 12 is going to be equal to whatever the first term is plus, since it's the fourth term, it would be 3 copies of a difference. Negative 76 will be equal to whatever the first term is plus 9 copies of a difference. So subtracting 2 minus 1, so that way I'm getting 9 minus 3, I'll get negative 76 minus 12 would be negative 88 equals, and then 9 minus 3, which would be 6d. So it looks like I need to take 88 and divide it by 6. That's not so pretty. Okay. D equals negative, did I do this subtraction correctly? Negative 76 minus 12. Yeah. Okay, let's go negative 88 over 6. Don't be racist against numbers, right? They're all good. Divide by 2. And divide by 2. So it looks like it's a 44 thirds is our common ratio. Is the common difference in this case. So that's our D. And so in order to figure out what A1 is, let's go back substitute and say 12 equals A1 plus negative 44 over 3 times 3 would be negative 44. Add would be 56 equals A1. So our final answer would be A sub n is the first term plus n minus 1 copies of that difference that we found, which is negative 44 over 3.